Hi, I am Atanu. In this tutorial video, you learn the linear equation in one variables. This is class 8 mathematics, and all others class 8 mathematics video you get from the playlist. You must watch all the videos, and if you watch this video till end, you will be able to solve the exercise of any of your textbooks yourself. And if you have more doubts, you can comments below. But for the advanced level or one-to-one communication, you can join my online class with affordable fees. Without wasting time, let's start this linear equation in one variables. What is equation? Equation is when the algebraic expression connect with the equal sign, then it's become the equation. For example, if I told you 2x square plus y is equal to 3, so these are the two algebraic expression. 3 also algebraic expression, 2x square plus y, and they connect each other with the equal sign, then it's become the equation. This is the example of the equation. Okay, so now what is linear equation? The linear equation is actually the linear polynomials, means when the variables power is actually the 1, the maximum power of any of the variables in the equation is 1, then it is called the linear equation. So maximum power means what? If I write the 2x plus y is equal to 3, then the maximum power of both variable x and y is actually the 1. So this is actually the example of the linear equation. Clear? Because power cannot be exceed the 1. So is it the first example linear equation? No, it is not the linear equation, because here the highest power of the variable is 2. So it is not the linear equation. We learn how to find out the solution of a linear equation. So what that mean? Let's take one example, one small example. 5x minus 2 is equal to for example 15. Okay, so solution means for what value of the x, if we put the LHS, then we get the RHS. Okay, so for what value? If we put the x is equal to 1, then what value we get? So 5 into 1. So now LHS become what? LHS become 5 into 1 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So it is not equal to RHS. So we can say that no, it is not the solution. So 1, it is not the solution of the given linear equation. Correct? So if you trial 1, 2, 3, and if we, for example, if we put x is equal to 3, let's try it whether it is solution or not. So LHS is equal to, we put the value x is equal to 3. So 5 into 3 minus 2. Again it will be 15 minus 2. So 12. It is not the solution. Now 1 and 3 are not solution of 5x minus 2 is equal to 15. So it is quite difficult to find out this trial and error, by this trial and error method, to get the solution of the linear equation. So we have to follow some method. So here we learn how you can do that. So you can try on the same question, that is 5x minus 2 is equal to 15, and here we can do that 5x is equal to 15 plus 2. Okay, so it will be what? X will be 17 by 5. Okay, now you check it whether this 17 by 5 is solution or not. So if we put the value in the LHS, so it will be 5 into 17 by 5 minus 2. So 5 cancel out, becomes 17 minus 2 is 15 is equal to RHS. So we can say that 17 by 5 is the solution of 5x minus 2 is equal to 15. So it is the value of this variable. If we put the value in the LHS, we get the RHS. Okay, means this value satisfy the given linear equation, correct? So let's take another example, that is is equal to 1 by 10. How you can do that? So 7 by so LCM is actually x. 7 plus 35x minus 1 by 10, then cross multiply it. 70 plus 350x is equal to cross multiply this 7 plus 35 into 10 and x into 1, that will be what? X. So next 350x minus x is equal to minus 70. Okay, so we learn the more details, why this sign become change and why we are doing the cross multiplication. Actually these are the different method we learned step by step later. So it will be 49 x is equal to minus 70. So finally we get, so here we get the final answer, that is x is equal to minus 70 by 349. So this is the answer. Okay, what that mean? If we put this, if we x replace with the minus 70 by 349, the LHS, so if we put x is equal to minus 70 by 349, so what value we get? LHS is equal to 7 by x. So x is what? Minus 70 by 349 plus 35. Then it will be what? 7, this will be minus 7 by 70 into 349 plus 35. So 349 minus by 10 plus 35. So here we get minus 349 plus 350 divided by 10. So numerator is 1 and denominator is 10. So it is equal to RHS. So this value satisfy the given linear equation. Okay, this linear equation satisfied by this value. Okay, so this is the solution. The solution is minus 70 by 349. Clear? This is the solution. Now we learn the transposition method for solving the linear equation in one variable. This method we have already applied on the earlier example, but I have not explained it. Now we learn this method. So let's take one example. This is the linear equation. 3x plus 1 by 16 plus 2x minus 3 by 7 is equal to x plus 3 by 8 plus 3x minus 1 by 14. Because the maximum power of this variable is actually the 1. So that is the reason actually this is the linear equation. Okay, So now for which value of x the LHS become RHS. Okay, we have to find out the solution. So by looking into the question, we have to find out that for easiest calculation, since here it is 16 and here it is 8, so we get the LCM, that is 16, and here the 7 and 14, the LCM is 14. So we transpose. First we transpose means we shifting from the LHS to RHS, that is the transpose, and this method is called the transposition method. The any term shifting from the LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, it's become the, and during the change the position, we have to change the sign also. What that mean? So implies that 3x plus 1 16. Next we bring this x plus 3 8 from RHS to LHS, and here it is plus, and when we shift from RHS to LHS, it's become the minus. Here x plus 3 by 8. And similarly, when we shift this 2x minus 3 by 7 from LHS to RHS, it's become the minus 2x minus 3 by 7. Clear? The entire term, the sign of the entire term change for both. Clear? Next, what is the LCM of 16 and 18? 16 and 8, it is 16. Here, so it's become 3x plus 1, because if we divide 16 by 16, we get 1. So 3x plus 1, it's remain, and here it is if we divide 16 by 8, we get the 2. So if we multiply 2 into this term numerator, and here also this is 14. 3x minus 1 remains same, because 14 divided by 14 is equal to 1, so no need to multiply anything. But here we multiply 2, so that we get 7 into 2 is equal to 14, or if we divide 14 by 7 is equal to 2. So we multiply 2 with the 2x minus 3 here. Next, you can also simplify this by removing the common factor, that is 7, and here 8. Okay, so numerator implies that 3x plus 1 minus 2x, and when we remove the bracket, it's a distributive law we apply, remove the bracket, it will be minus 6 here, and here it will be 8, and the right hand side 3x minus 1 minus 4x plus 6 divided by 7. Clear? Wait. Next implies that 3x minus 2x is equal to x, and that is the 5, and here it is 8, and the right hand side 3x minus 4x is equal to minus x, and here also plus 5. Okay, and here it is what, 7. Then we cross multiply it, 7x minus 5 is equal to 8 minus x plus 5. So 7x minus 35 is equal to minus 8x plus 40. Okay, next 7x plus 8x. Why? Again we transpose minus 8x from right hand side to left hand side. For that we have to change the sign, so minus become plus and become 8x. Okay, and similarly when we shifting the from LHS minus 35, it become plus 35. Clear? Become plus 35. So 40 flush 35 here. So 15 15x is equal to 75. So x become 75 divided by 15. And here also when you transpose the, here is the multiple sign. Okay, x relation is multiple. So when we shift from LHS to RHS, it's become the division. Okay, so then ultimately we get what? 5. So 5 is the solution of this linear equation, is the answer. Means if we put the value of the x at LHS, we replace it whatever value we get, and if we put the value x is equal to 5, replace it, then whatever value we get, then they will be the equal. So it satisfies the equation. LHS become RHS. With this, x is equal to 5. Clear? And transposition method, we can solve the linear equation in the one variables. Clear? Now we learn the cross multiplication method for solving the linear equation. So let's take one example. So 1 minus 9y divided by 19 minus 3y is equal to 5 by 8. This is the linear equation. How you can solve it? Cross multiplication means we have to multiply the LHS numerator with the denominator of the RHS, and the denominator of the LHS with the numerator of the RHS. Okay, so let's solve it. 1 minus 9y divided by 19 minus 3y is equal to 5 by 8. Now we cross multiply it, we get 8 into 1 minus 9y is equal to 5 into 19 minus 3y here. Next, 8 minus 72y (95) minus 15y. So next, apply the transpose method, that is shifting from the RHS to LHS of the similar terms. Minus 72 y plus 15, it's become plus, and here 95 minus 8, so it's become minus 57 y is equal to 87. So y become minus 87 by 57. So it is both divisible by 3. The sum is divisible by 3. So so 20 minus 29 by 90. 29 by 19. This is the answer. Okay. We are almost end of this video, and it is the last point of discussion. Here we learn the application of the linear equation to solve the practical problem, and this is one of the interesting part of this video, because by this application we can solve lot of critical problems in algebra, the word problems, and this problem can be created at the unlimited ways, and it is one of the quickest method to get the solution. So let's take one example so that you can test this application, and in future you can apply to solve lot of problems. Okay. Here it is the question. A number consists of the two digits whose sum is 9. If 27 is subtracted from this, the digits of the new number is reversed. Find the number. So how you can solve this question? So this is the answer part. So let the number is x and y. So this bar sign symbol is actually it is the number, not x into y. It is a number. What that means x y is equivalent to maybe 23, like that. So it is not 2 into 3. It is not equal to 2 into 3. Clear? So by the bar sign we separate from the multiplication of the x and y. So after reverse, the number become, after reverse, the new number become yx. Okay, and this xy can be write as the expanded form 10x plus y, because y is the units place and this is the 1 place and is the 10 place. Okay, so that is the reason multiply with the 10. It is just like that. If I told you what is the meaning of 23, 23 is mean 20 plus 3, means 2 into 10 plus 3. Clear? These are the not part of this answer. This is actually for your concept. Yeah. So this become yx. After reverse become yx, and yx means 10y plus x. Now according to the question ATQ, it is given that the if we deduct 27 from the given number, we get the yx. Clear? So now we can write the expanded form, that is 10x plus y is equal minus 27 is equal to 10y plus x. So further simplify 10x and transposing method, if we shift the x it will be minus x, and here what remain plus y. With transposing method the 10y will be minus 10y is equal to 27. Clear? So next we get 9x minus 9y is equal to 27. So 9 is a common factor, so x minus y is equal to 27 by 9. Next x minus y is equal to 3. And another condition given that the sum is 9, the given number sum is 9, the digit sum is 9. What that mean x plus y is equal to 9. So this is the one equation, and another we get here, this is the 2. Okay, so from 1 and 2, by elimination method, x plus y, x minus y is 9, and here it is 3. And then y cancel out. If we add it, then 2x is equal to 12, and implies that x is equal to 12 minus, so 12 divided by 2, that is 6. And from one equation, x plus y is equal to 9, so x plus from 1, put value 6, put value x is equal to 6, we get what we get, 6x plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So xy become what? 60. X is what? 6 and y is 3. So this is the answer. So given number is 63. The number is 63 is the answer. Now we can verify it. It is not the part of the question, but look at this. How easily we solve this complex problem, this complex word problem, and this is the one of the practical application. There are unlimited application are there, and if you are master of this art, then quickly you get the answer. Okay, and this is one of the best application of the mathematics. Okay, so we can cross verify it whether our answer is correct or not. I can do that. Let's consider according to question, that is xy become what? Xy become 63, right? We got this answer, right? Now just a minute. Okay, so it's become 63, and y has become 36. Now according to question, x plus y is equal to what? 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So this is satisfied. So the sum of the digit is 9. So this first condition satisfied. Now if we subtracted 27 from the from this first number, this means the first number, the digit of the new number is reversed. So here it is the reverse. So it is the reverse part. Okay, it is the unknown number. It was the unknown number, and the digit, it was the reverse number. Clear? Now according to question, what we can get, that is, we have to verify this. If it is from 27, we get the reverse number, reverse digits number. So let's check the LHS. So that is, LHS become xy minus 27. So xy is 63 minus 27 become what? Become 36, and it become RHS, means yx. Clear? That is 36. Look at this. This is 36. So two conditions satisfy. So here is the first condition, that is sum of the digits is 9, and this is the second condition, that is, if we deduct 27 from the first number, we get the reverse digits number. This way we can solve any critical word. Thank you for watching this video till end, and hope you can apply this concept to solve the exercise yourself. And if this video is helpful to you, please share this video with your friends, and also like the video and press the bell icon so that you get the all updates. See you in the next video. Bye.